Alright, in this video guys, I will show you how to make a stand, and please donate. If you're a beginner, you should listen to Lil 80K Gaming. Alright, so click on this, press any boot you want, and then press yes. Press it, just double click this so you can copy all of these. Then copy everything, press copy, return, press next. Then, I have nothing right now. I just have a blue button. But how to get the game passes is you have to leave the game. Leave the game. Click on Safari. Just try to go on Roblox.com, the website. Now, click this icon right here. Press the 3 dots. Press request desktop website. There. And then press create. See? Scroll down until you see experiences. This is my place right here. And then press manage experience. Press that. And then press the 3 lines on the dashboard. Then scroll down until you see monetization. Press on passes. Then create a pass. Press that. And then say, I'm just like random words. Yeah. And then there, it's finished. You can add icons if you want, but you have to paste them on the website, in internet. Just browse. Then press create. Then it's done. But that's not the case though. Let's click on it. We wanted to make it appear in the boot, right? And it has to be on sale. So click on the 3 lines again. Press sales. Now enable this item for sale. Enable that. Then you can do like any Robux, probably like I'll do 3,788. Yeah, and then save changes. And then you're good to go. And then press cancel. Then go back to please donate. Go here. Play the game. The game's loading. And then check again. Click any boot. Click that. Yeah, it's ready. And there you go. Your game pass pops up on the screen. Alright. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Lil 80K Gaming for Roblox tips, hacks, and